Good morning, boys and girls. So today we are going to practice our sounds, and I added two more new sounds from last week, the vowel teams. So I want you to put your fingers up and trace along with me. C, cat, k. A, apple, a. M, mask, m. G, gate, g. D, dog, d. T, tent, t. S, sun, s. F, fan, f. Q, queen, qu. No English word ends in Q. It is always followed by U. N, nest, n. L, lock, l. B, bulb. I, igloo, I. H, hat, h. J, jet, j. No English word ends in J. K, key, k. O, octopus, ah. P, pot, p. U, umbrella, W, web, w. Z, zebra, z. X, fox. Y, yo-yo, y. Second sound. Y, happy, e. At the end of a long word. Third sound. Y, cry, I. At the end of a short word. R, rat, V, van, v. No English word ends in V. It is always followed by E. E, egg, F. F, L, S, D, double. At the end of a one-syllable word after a short vowel. SH, ship, sh. TH, thumb, f. CK, sock. At the end of a short word after a short vowel. CH, chair, ch. WH, whistle, w. TCH, match, ch. At the end of a short word after a short vowel. A, consonant, magic, E. Ape, A. What does the E do to the A? Make it say its name. And the name is A. And the sound is A. I, consonant, magic, E. Pine, I. What does the E do to the I? Make it say its name. And the name is I. And the sound is I. O, consonant, magic, E. Home, O. What does the E do to the O? Make it say its name. And the name is O. And the sound is O. U, consonant, magic, E. Mule and rule. Mule and cute. U or oo. What does the U do to the What does the E do to the U? Make it say its name. And the name is U. And the sound is U. E, consonant, magic, E. Eve, E. What does the E do to the E? Make it say its name. And the name is E. And the sound is E. E, feet, E. Position of the middle of the word. OA, boat, O. Position, middle of the word. Now we're going to do the sight words, words of the week. So put your fingers up and trace along with me. The first word is country. All right, let's spell it. C-O-U-N-T-R-Y, country. Again, fingers up. Country, C-O-U-N-T-R-Y, country. Now do it with your eyes closed. Trace along. C-O-U-N-T-R-Y, country. My country is United States of America. Next word is father. Fingers up. F-A-T-H-E-R, father. Again, father. F-A-T-H-E-R, father. Eyes closed. Father. F-A-T-H-E-R, father. I play video games with my father. Next word, eyes. Fingers up. E-Y-E-S, eyes. Again, eyes. E-Y-E-S, eyes. Eyes closed. E-Y-E-S, eyes. The girl has brown eyes. Next word is thought. Say the word thought. Fingers up. T-H-O-U-G-H-T. Thought. Again, thought. T-H-O-U-G-H-T. Thought. Eyes closed. Thought. T-H-O-U-G-H-T. Thought. I thought it was going to rain today because of the dark clouds. Thought. Last word, always. Fingers up. A-L-W-A-Y-S. Always. Again, always. A-L-W-A-Y-S. Always. Eyes closed. Always. A-L-W-A-Y-S. Always. Remember to always be kind. Now what I want you to do, boys and girls, is take out a book or paper and I want you to write your words 5 times each and then take a picture and post it on your class dojo. Okay, don't forget to practice your sounds every morning and your sight words.